Good day everyone. My name is John Lloyd Opinaldo. As a student of Marikina Polytechnic College in taking a course of Bachelor Technical Vocational Education, major in Food Service Management. So for today's video, I'm gonna discussing how to make a session plan using TESDA regulation curriculum. So first, we need to download TESDA regulation. Um, Yan, search mo lang dyan yung training regulation. So, find page 5 and ayan, yung automotive servicing, electrical repair and C2. Ayan, click here and yung purpose natin is about session plan. Click your email address and download now. So after you download the file, you need to open this one. So ayan. So my topic is exercise efficient and effective sustainable practices in the workplace. Focus on basic competency. So naka-focus yung topic ko sa about basic competency. So this our content of session plan is first sector, qualification title, unit of competency, module title, learning outcomes and introduction, learning activities, and assessment plan, and the last one is teacher self-reflection to the session. So first is sector. Yung sector ko is about automotive and land transport sector. Yung sector ko, kinuha ko siya sa ayan, kinuha ko siya sa front page ng TR. Yan po yung ayan, yung nasa baba po, yan, yung automotive and land transport sector. And yung qualification title ko naman po, yung automotive servicing, electrical repair and C2, yung qualification of title ko, kinuha ko din siya dito sa front page ng training regulation. Ayan, yung nasa taas ng front page ng TR. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, automotive servicing, electrical repair and C2. And yung sa unit of competency ko naman, kung ano yung unit of competency ko, Yung unit of competency ko is yung exercise, efficient, and effective sustainable practice in the workplace. Yan. Yan po yung naka-assign na binigay sa akin ni sir na topic. Ayan. Yung sa module title ko naman po is kinape-paste ko lang po yung kung ano yung unit of competency ko. Pinalitan ko lang yung dinagdagan ko lang yung exercise ng ing. So, ayan. Exercising efficient and effective sustainable practices in the workplace. So, next is learning outcomes. So, next is learning outcomes. Yung learning outcomes ko, bali, meron akong tatlong learning outcomes. We have 3 learning outcomes. So, kung makikita nyo, yung learning outcomes ko is, the first one is identify the efficient and effectiveness of resource utilization. Yan. Kung makikita nyo dito, wait. Bali, pang 8 ako na topic sa basic competency. So, ayan. Yung learning outcomes ko, nakuha ko lang siya sa elements. Sa element. Ayan, number 1, identify the efficient and effectiveness of resources utilization. Ayan, identify the efficient and effective. Yung number 2 ko naman is determine causes of inefficiency and or ineffectiveness of resource utilization. And yung pangalawa ko, bali yung elements ko, we have 3 elements. So bali yung learning outcomes ko magiging 3 din. Yan. Yung tatlong learning outcomes ko, nakuha ko siya sa elements. So next is introduction. So this unit covers knowledge, skills, and attitude to identify the efficiency and effectiveness of resource utilization, determine cause of inefficiency. So, yung introduction ko, nakuha ko lang po siya dito sa dyan, sa unit descriptor. Ayan. Kinape-paste ko lang po siya dyan. So, yung learning activities, bali, yan, yung learning outcomes ko, identify the efficient and effectiveness of resource utilization. So, meron tayong nakapaloob na learning content, methods, presentation, practice, feedback, resources, and time. So, ayan. Bali, yung learning content ko, kinuha ko lang po siya dito sa performance criteria. Yan. Bali, yung kinuha ko lang po dyan, yung pinaka highlight po na mahalaga. So kinuha ko lang po yung ayan, yung required resource utilization in the workplace. Ayan, kung makikita nyo sa first learning content ko is required resources utilization in the workplace. Ganon din dito sa data recorded according to workplace protocol and comparing recorded data. So yan, kinuha ko lang yung pinaka-highlight na mahalagang bagay. So ayun, yung learning content ko, kinuha ko lang siya sa performance criteria. So next, we have methods. So sa method, meron tayong panel discussion, modular video presentation. And sa presentation ko naman is read information sheet 8, 1.1 view, PowerPoint presentation, video tutorial in internet. So yung so So, yung methods and presentation, connected po silang dalawa. So, next is practice. So, yung method and presentation ko, connected po silang dalawa sa isa't isa. And yung practice ko naman po, ayan. So, answer info sheet 8.1.1. Create a video demonstrating the lesson. So, yung feedback ko is evaluate the answer to answer key graded based on the outcome of the video. So, yung resources ko naman po is PowerPoint presentation, research link for video tutorial. So, yung sa time ko naman po is kung makikita nyo 45 minutes. So, wait lang. Bali, kung yung time naman po is kung paano ko siya nakuha, based sa inassign sa akin ni sir na topic, which is nakapaloob siya sa basic competency. So, bali, yung basic competency sa time, meron siyang 37. Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo guys. So, ayan. Sa basic competency, sa topic ko kasi, basic competency. So, meron akong 37 hours. Then, i-divide mo siya ngayon sa 9. So, bakit siya naging 9? Kasi, i-divide mo siya ngayon sa 9 kasi yung basic competency Meron siyang 9 na topic na competency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ayan. Sa basic competency, meron siyang 37. And, i-divide mo siya sa 9. Ayan. 4.1. Ayan. I-divide mo ulit siya sa 9. Bali, 0.45. So, 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 0.45. So, bali sa bawat time ko na ginawa, 45 minutes sa bawat learning outcomes ko. Ayan. Bali, yung learning outcome 2 ko and learning outcome 3, ganun din po siya. Kung paano yung ginawa ko sa learning outcomes 1. So, next is yung assessment ko naman po is I have project assessment, evaluation, and quiz. So, yung topic ko kasi more on about practice about workplace, kaya yung nilagay ko dito is ayan. So, teacher's self-reflection to the session. So, ayan po. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you po.